Think of robot vacuums as luxury vehicles, and the DJI ROMO P, alongside the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Pro, represent those high-performance sports sedans featured prominently in automotive publications. Stunning, technology-laden, and built to make a statement. Leveraging its expertise from drone manufacturing, DJI equips the ROMO P with sophisticated vision technology, striking aesthetics, and a see-through chassis that demands attention. Roborock, conversely, refines its winning formula with the Curv 2 Pro. Exceptional suction capability, precise navigation intelligence, and a comprehensive, well-developed ecosystem. Both target discerning consumers seeking more than basic automated cleaning. They demand dependability, sophisticated cleaning capabilities, and premium docking station functionality.
Design and build quality. From the moment you unbox them, it's clear that the ROMO P and Qrevo Curv 2 Pro approach design from very different angles. The ROMO P is all show, a transparent, almost sci-fi shell with industrial accents that looks like it belongs in a tech exhibition as much as on your living room floor. It's visually striking, and every spin on the dock makes it feel like a piece of kinetic art. That said, the see-through body means dust, smudges, and pet hair are more obvious, so you might find yourself wiping it down more often. Roborock's Curv 2 Pro, by contrast, is understated elegance. Its low-profile chassis, under 8 centimeters, allows it to slide effortlessly under sofas, beds, and cabinets. The build is rugged, practical, and integrates the adaptive lift system so it climbs rugs and thresholds with ease. Add the retractable LiDAR tower and extendable sensors, and you have a robot that's designed to navigate real homes without getting stuck. Aesthetically, ROMO P grabs attention. Functionally, the Curv 2 Pro quietly outperforms in everyday practicality. When we talk about cleaning performance, both robots pack serious power. The DJI ROMO P and Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Pro both feature 25,000 Pascal suction, capable of deep cleaning carpets, hard floors, and handling stubborn debris with ease. The ROMO P utilizes dual anti-tangle brushes and extendable side brushes, while Roborock's system includes the Duo Divide main brush and FlexArm side brush, both designed to minimize hair tangles and maintain consistent performance. For mopping, the DJI ROMO P offers dual spinning mop pads supported by a 164 milliliter onboard water tank, providing thorough wet cleaning. The Roborock, however, elevates the concept with its dual spinning mop pads that automatically lift when carpets are detected, preventing unwanted wetting, a feature enabled by its adaptive chassis. Both vacuums feature automatic mop cleaning docks. The ROMO P's base station cleans mop pads and includes a deodorizer while reducing noise during operation, whereas the Qrevo Curv 2 Pro's dock heats water to 100 degrees Celsius for sanitization and follows with warm air drying, ensuring hygienic maintenance. Both systems reduce manual intervention, though Roborock's ThermoPlus cleaning may give it a slight edge in hygiene and efficiency. This is where both brands really shine. DJI leverages binocular fisheye cameras, LiDAR, and machine learning to recognize obstacles and navigate intelligently. It can treat its surroundings almost like a mobile camera, detecting small items and dynamically planning routes. The Roborock Curv 2 Pro also boasts advanced sensors. A retractable LiDAR tower combined with structured light and RGB inputs powers its reactive AI obstacle avoidance. Its mapping capabilities, room segmentation, and app-controlled routines are some of the most polished on the market. In practice, the ROMO P may be more visually clever, recognizing unusual objects and reacting dynamically, but the Curv 2 Pro offers unmatched reliability and flexibility. Its retractable LiDAR means it can scan even under low furniture without sacrificing navigation accuracy, a practical bonus in many homes. Roborock has long been a leader in app-based robot management, and the Curv 2 Pro reflects that maturity. Its app allows precise control of resuction levels, mop pressure, room segmentation, no-go zones, and multi-floor mapping. Firmware updates, ecosystem accessories, and a polished UX make it feel like a fully integrated system rather than just a vacuum. DJI Home app introduces unique features such as using the robot as a remote camera and integrating voice commands. While these extras are fun, they don't necessarily improve core cleaning performance, and the app feels newer and less refined for vacuuming tasks. For anyone who values stable daily performance, Roborock's ecosystem provides consistency that DJI hasn't yet fully matched. Battery life and coverage are strong points for both machines. Each comes equipped with a 6,400 mAh battery capable of cleaning up to 5,300 square feet on a single charge. They both take roughly 2.5 hours to reach a full charge. This makes them suitable for large homes or multi-floor cleaning sessions without requiring constant recharging. In real-world use, both deliver consistent cleaning coverage with minimal interruptions, although DJI's robust navigation system may slightly edge out in more cluttered or complex environments. Pricing and availability mark another point of differentiation. The DJI ROMO P carries a premium price of €1,899, around $2,100, reflecting its advanced navigation system, fully transparent design, and comprehensive home monitoring capabilities. The Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Pro is slightly more affordable at €1,299, around $1,514, offering excellent suction, adaptive navigation, and advanced cleaning features at a lower price point. Both are currently available in select European markets with potential international shipping options, though DJI's availability may be slightly more limited outside Europe. Ultimately, both the DJI ROMO P and Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Pro are engineered to deliver exceptional cleaning performance. ROMO P impresses with its design and vision technology, while Curv 2 Pro excels in consistent suction, efficient mop cleaning, and practical navigation. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize innovative, tech-forward design or proven, reliable cleaning performance. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.